Most people get this wrong. They assume Zapplen is just another Payday or BNPL app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that Zapplen combines instant wage access, installment payments, and budgeting insights in one platform. When used responsibly, it can help cover unexpected expenses without the pitfalls of high-interest loans. Here's how Zapplen works. First, you can access a portion of your earned wages before your payday, often within hours. Second, you can split eligible purchases into small installments over a few weeks. Instead of traditional interest, Zapplen charges a predictable flat fee per advance or installment, which makes it easier to plan your spending. Zapplen also provides dashboards and reminders to help you manage your payments and avoid late fees. You can track spending, see upcoming due dates, and even get tips for better cash flow management. The downside, frequent advances or missed payments can become costly. Over-reliance on Zapplen may also mask deeper financial issues instead of helping you build long-term stability. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only advance funds you can repay on time. 2. Use repayment reminders to stay on track. 3. Keep a small buffer for emergencies to reduce dependency. Who should use Zapplen? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need a cash boost or want help splitting larger purchases. If your income is irregular or you struggle with repayment discipline, Zapplen may end up costing more than it saves. In conclusion, Zapplen in 2026 is a useful tool, but only when used wisely. Track your fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and actionable financial tips that put you in control of your money.